welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been a long time. कैसे हो आप सब? Quarantine में are you guys insane or you're sane or what are you doing to keep yourself entertained? Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can be productive, or at least this is what I am trying to do. Because आपको पता है कि we always crib about not having time and we always complain that we are always busy and there's no time and things like that. But now, because of all this quarantine, because of this lockdown, there is nothing much that we are able to do. So I think looking at the positive aspect of all this, I think इस time को हम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से use भी कर सकते हैं to do something better in life, to develop a hobby, or just to pursue something that we always wanted to do but we were not able to do it because time nahi tha. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you what are the things that I am doing to be productive and not waste time, because once the quarantine is over, I don't want to be the same person. मुझे चाहिए कि मैं थोड़ा सा कोई skill या कुछ तो मेरा दिमाग बढ़े या कोई एक skill बढ़े या कुछ तो मैं improvement चाहती हूँ अपनी life में, let it be physical, mental or spiritual, be whatever. So today I'm going to share that with you. Watch it. I hope you like it. If you like it, please press the bell icon. And for anyone watching my video for the first time, please don't forget subscribing. I upload a lot of useful videos for people who are wanting to come here as student or even as an immigrant. So let's get started.
Best possible starting point is to allocate at least 5 to 10 minutes of your day in planning your entire day. So you can do a quick brainstorming session and just create a list of things that you want to get done during that day. So this gives you like a very good start in the morning, because you know that you're going to be managing your time effectively and you already have planned for the entire day. And at the end of the day, you can just refer back to that list to see the number of tasks that you have done, and this gives you a great sense of achievement. This is for people who are in the process of looking for a job or switching new jobs. So this is the time you can make use of to create your resume, build on your skills, prepare for the interview. I know the time is slow now and hiring is not going to be that aggressive. But yes, once everything is back to normal, once they start hiring, it is very important that you have your skills sorted.
Try getting into the habit of reading. I know this may sound boring to many of you, and trust me, before I guess 3 or 4 years, even I used to be like this. If someone's asking me to read, I'll be like, oh god, are you crazy? But slowly I force myself to get into this habit of reading, and trust me, it really helps you a lot. आपकी communication skills improve होती हैं, आपकी vocabulary improve होती है, and you actually start imagining things when you read it, because it's not visual, you know what I mean? तो वो आपका power भी थोड़ा सा अच्छा होता है, and it is a pretty good experience. It's a good habit to have, yeah. So if you can't force yourself to read at least 5 pages a day of any book, start with maybe a normal basic book with Indian authors. Maybe Chetan Bhagat. मैंने जब start किया था, I used to really read Chetan Bhagat books, by the way. So you can even start those, like just read 5 pages a day, and slowly you will have that craving to read more and more.
While you're working or studying, just try and keep yourself away from distractions. I know this is the most difficult thing. It's very difficult not to use your phones, but try at least an hour of, being without your phone, gadgets, mobiles, or iPads. Last but very important is to focus a little bit on your fitness. You can spend at least 20 or 30 minutes a day in any physical activity that you want to do. Could be walking, could be yoga, or whatever. And whatever your aim is, maybe you want to lose weight or you want to build muscle, this is the perfect time.
That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please press that like button, bell button, subscribe, do everything, and I will see you very soon with another video. And don't forget to mention in the comment section below कि आप कोई नई चीज क्या कर रहे हो कि आप थोड़े से productive हो. So please let me know in the comment section below. I really look forward to all your comments, and I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.